In high-stakes operations, a compliance checkbox is a liability, not a guarantee. We've all seen it. A new hire finishes orientation, but on day one, they're overwhelmed and unsure what good actually looks like. Frontline turnover is highest in those first few weeks, not because people don't want to work, but because they aren't set up for success. Welcome to Kahuna. We help leading organizations move beyond theoretical timelines to true operational intelligence. Our platform can measure readiness through multiple methods of validation. We empower supervisors with real-world evidence. Instead of guessing if someone is ready, you see their proficiency in the flow of work via mobile validation. The results are measurable. One major health system accelerated onboarding by 18%, and an energy provider saw a 10% drop in attrition by giving workers a clear roadmap from day one. Stop measuring if they were trained and start measuring if they are role-ready. Accelerate confidence, improve retention, and build a workforce that is ready for what's next. Kahuna, transforming frontline skills data into actionable operations. Contact a skills advisor today at www.kahunaworkforce.com.